to increase their number. For examples, the fungus species produce nearly 1 arab or kharabs spores during their life cycles. A UNIO produce numbers of logs, eggs in their life periods. The struggle for existence. Second point, struggle for existence. This statement says that every organism struggle for some common resources because the resources are limited in nature. Means हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर्स में जो रिसोर्सेज हैं वो लिमिटेड है. फॉर द inhabiting places, for food, for water, various. Due to this, the organism struggles for the various resources. The struggles are three types: interspecific, intraspecific, and environmentals. Interspecific means when the struggles takes place between two different species for food, shelter. Intraspecific when the struggles takes between two close relative species for the reproduction, for the food, etc. And environmental struggle for the escaping of environmental conditions. This is known as environmental struggles. Natural selection. Next topic. Natural selection or survival of the fittest. During struggle, those animals or organisms able to for such conditions or may changes occurs in their bodies, the nature select them. Nature select them. नेचर उसको सेलेक्ट करती है और वो फिर वहां रहने के लिए योग्य हो जाता है, या इसे कहते हैं सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. मीन्स जो जीव या एनिमल्स अपने आप को उस इन्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज कर लेता है, नेचर उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लेती है. डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट्स. The changes of environments directly affect the different activities of organism, for drought, disease, heat, cold, etc. Variation and their inheritance. Variation. The variation. What are the variation? The variations are differences between सेम इंडिविजुअल्स ऑफ स्पीसीज. एक ही जात के लोगों के बीच जो डिफरेंसेस होते हैं, उनमें जो अलग कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड डिफरेंसेस, वेरिएशंस. एंड दीज वेरिएशंस आर यूजफुल फॉर द इवोल्यूशंस. दोज वेरिएशंस whose changes occurs on the genes transfer from one generation to another generation. Origin of new species. Origin of new species. During changes occurs generation after generation. The new young ones are differ from their ancestors and develop as a new species. These are the main ideas of the Darwin theories. Demerits of Darwin theory, इनकी कमियां क्या थी? The main demerits of Darwin theory is variation and their inheritance. इन्होंने बताया कि वेरिएशंस होती हैं और ये वेरिएशंस जो हैं एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन में ट्रांसफर होती हैं, जिससे एक नई जात का विकास हो जाता है. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है, सभी वेरिएशन ट्रांसफर नहीं होती है. केवल जेनेटिक वेरिएशन ही एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन में ट्रांसफर होती है. जो सोमेटिक वेरिएशंस होती हैं वो ट्रांसफर नहीं होती. आफ्टर चेंजेस देयर आइडियाज they develop as a new Darwinism in which they says that the genetic variation transfer from one generation to another generation, which causes formation of new species. Okay. The third theory is mutation theory. Mutation theory. This theory was proposed by the Dutch scientist Hugo de Vries. The Hugo de Vries do experiments on the primrose plants and give ideas mutations. What are the mutation? The random or sudden changing in organism. The sudden changing in organism is known as mutation. The organism in which the mutation first occurs known as mutant. The mutation is useful, harmful or useless. म्यूटेशन जो है यूजफुल भी हो सकता है, हार्मफुल भी हो सकता है और यूजलेस भी हो सकता है. म्यूटेशन का रीजन क्या है? म्यूटेशन होता कहां से है? चेंजेस, व्हेन द चेंजेस अकर्स ऑन द डीएनए बेस पेयर्स. जब डीएनए बेस पेयर्स में चेंजिंग होती है उस कारण से म्यूटेशन होता है और एक न्यू वैरायटी का फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है जो अपने एंसेस्टर से डिफरेंट हो जाती है. These are the main theories of the evolution. And next topic is Hardy-Weinberg principle. Hardy-Weinberg principle. Hardy-Weinberg principle. What are the Hardy-Weinberg principles? The Hardy-Weinberg principles was the scientist who proposed Hardy-Weinberg. This says that the frequency of an allele is stable. The frequency of an allele is stable and constant generation after generation. मीन्स किसी भी पॉपुलेशन की जो फ्रीक्वेंसी, एलील की फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो स्टेबल होती है और कांस्टेंट होती है जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन. p प्लस क्यू का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1 और p स्क्वायर प्लस क्यू स्क्वायर प्लस 2pq इक्वल टू 1. It is the Hardy-Weinberg principle. P and Q is the frequency of allele. What factor affect the frequency of allele? Various factors are responsible for the Hardy-Weinberg principle. Number 1, gene migration. Gene migration. Second, genetic drift. Genetic drift. And third is mutation. Mutation. Fourth is natural selection. Natural selection and gene recombination. Gene recombination. These are the various factors which affect the Hardy-Weinberg principle. Gene migration. When the gene are migrate from one species to another species, then the frequency of allele may be disturbed. Genetic drift. The random changing in the frequency of allele of a population is known as genetic drift. किसी भी population की जो रैंडम चेंजिंग हो जाए फ्रीक्वेंसी में, उसके कारण भी कॉन्स्टेंसीज की डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है. म्यूटेशन. ड्यू टू द म्यूटेशन, द सडन चेंजिंग इन द ऑर्गेनिज्म लीड्स टू द चेंजेस इन द एलील फ्रीक्वेंसीज. नेचुरल सिलेक्शन. द evolutionary phenomena in which the organism adapt to certain environments and survive them. Gene recombination. Due to the gene recombination, a new combinations are formed and the population of allele frequency may be changed. Founder effect. Founder effect. The original drifted may be founder, which causes changes in the morphology and anatomy of the organism is known as founder effect. Natural selection is 3 types. Natural selection. Three. Stabilizing. Directional. And disruptive. Disruptive. These are the various types of natural selection. Stabilizing. In this, the frequency of allele maintain the mean character values. Directional. In this, the frequency of alleles changes in the specific directions, some changes occurs. Disruptive, in this the frequency of alleles changes is much, and which causes various changes in the organism. It is the directional, the disruptive, stabilizing, three types of natural selections.